Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Connor, this is our YouTube channel, and today we are sat in a 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro van which needed an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto solution. So out with the old, in with the new. This is the Kenwood DMX8021, one of our favourite units right now. You probably see a lot of them on our channel. Extremely popular, 3-year warranty. It's just a great unit. On this Vauxhall Vivaro, it comes with steering wheel controls, which are just there. We've actually retained use of those. They still operate. So if I just push the button right now, you'll see the volume going up just there. So they all still work as standard. For hands-free calls, we've put in the official Kenwood microphone at the top there. If it just about focuses, that picks it up. No windscreen DAB aerial in this van because this car had, or this van had DAB as standard, so we've retained the original DAB aerial. Let's give you a run through on how the unit operates. This is the home screen. As you can see, my phone's already connected, which is why the CarPlay symbol is highlighted. If I touch the CarPlay symbol, it's going to give me my Apple CarPlay options here. Now it gives my schedule on the left. Time for another haircut, Connor. We've got maps here. And if I push the home button on the right hand side, we've got all my other options. And then we just switch hands because I'm left-handed. So I can scroll through on this super responsive capacitive display. Real dream to use, effortless unit. I've got access to TomTom, Waze, Google Maps, iOS Maps, and tons of music apps like radio apps. If you like internet radio opposed to DAB, we've got streaming apps like Tidal will be on here, Spotify would be on here if you use it, YouTube Music is on here. I can literally just go through all my mixes. Absolutely outstanding Apple CarPlay, really easy to use. Android Auto is very similar if you're an Android user. I myself use Apple. DAB is on this screen here, exactly the same way. It's very intuitive to use. Presets on the right hand side, so you can save your favorites here. And to go for your DAB listing, it's as easy as pushing a magnifying glass and then scroll up and down in alphabetical order of all the stations you can get right now in this area. Very easy to use, absolutely great unit. You can add a reverse camera to this if you want as well, and you can even add a HDMI input as well, because it's got a HDMI port on the back. So if I go to the home screen, you'll see it right there. Useful if you want to put an Amazon Fire Stick in the back to watch something when you're parked up. This runs USB-C, which what we've done is we've mounted USB-C in the factory USB-A point there that Vauxhall fits. A nice, neat, tidy job. Yeah, looks really good in there with the right fascia. Customer's going to be over the moon. It's got 2024 technology in his 2017 van, roughly, if I remember correctly. But yeah, that's about it for this Vauxhall Vivaro with Kenwood wireless Apple CarPlay for now. Connor and the team at YouTube, John Cleese Car Audio, signing off. See you later.